Welcome to day 4 of your 5-day coding challenge. Today, you'll continue your work on your recipe website. You'll add a recipe image to make your site look more appealing, and you'll also begin to modify your work to make sure your site looks as good on a desktop device as it does on a mobile. And as usual, we'll introduce some key concepts to you before you dive into your challenges. So be curious, get stuck in, and enjoy. Responsive design is the process of building a website that will automatically adjust and adapt to the screen size of whatever device the user is on. Current websites must have the ability to optimize the screen size of a device, whether it is a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. As screen sizes become smaller, content starts to take up more vertical space, and anything wider than, say, a desktop screen is usually pushed down when viewed on smaller devices. It's called flow. The viewport can be a desktop, mobile screen, or anything in between. So we need units that are flexible and work everywhere. That's where relative units like percentages come in handy. For example, setting an image to 600 pixels wide will result in it being too big to be shown properly on a smartphone screen. But setting the image to be, say, 50% means it will always take half the screen no matter what device it is displayed on. Breakpoints allow the layout to change at predefined points. For example, you might have 4 columns of content visible on a desktop or laptop, but only 1 column displayed on a mobile device. Breakpoints in responsive web design are browser widths that have what are called media query declarations. And these change the layout once the browser is within a defined range. Once a breakpoint, or browser width, is reached, we can activate a set of styles that are targeted for that particular window size. Sometimes it's practical that content takes up the whole width of a screen, like on a mobile device. But having the same content stretching to the whole width of, say, your TV screen often makes less sense. This is why min and max values help. For example, having a width of 100% combined with a max width of 1000 pixels would mean the content will fill the screen up to a width of 1000 pixels.